What is up, everyone? Marissa Romero here, and in this video what I'm going to talk about is YouTube channel trailers and give you a template and some tips for your YouTube channel trailer if you haven't made one already, and why is it important to have, and what you need to know to start making one today and upload it to your channel. Alright guys, my time here actually in Bali, Indonesia is winding down. I have like literally 4 days left. It's so sad. But I'm spending my last weekend in Bali in this beautiful villa. I have some outside footage, but also check out the indoor footage. It's huge. You can't really tell, but it sleeps 15 people. And I'm with my newfound Indonesian family and friends, and we've been having a great time here. We're in Menjangan, which is on the west side of Bali, like the very western tip. Very beautiful, perfect for diving and snorkeling and all that great stuff. But while I was here, I actually made a YouTube channel trailer video because I haven't had one, and that's one thing I've been slacking on. And honestly, I've probably haven't gained as much subscribers as I could have, because your YouTube channel trailer is kind of like your first chance at getting people to say, oh my God, like I want to subscribe to his or her channel. So I've definitely I wouldn't say I've been losing subs, but I think I would have much more if I would have had my channel from the get-go. So I would add YouTube channel trailers to one of your items on your checklist for building up a new YouTube channel. All right, stay tuned after I go over the 5 factors and tips that I give you for your channel trailer, because I'm going to introduce to you my never before seen channel trailer, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to show you how to upload a channel trailer to your channel. I'm going to upload mine live so that you guys could have this to go ahead and start and implement that today in your channel. Okay, so tip number 1 in your channel, I guess, template and what to say. The first thing you want to do is, of course, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm so-and-so, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Tip number 2 is you want to say why you're a credible source. So who are you? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you an author? Are you a founder, a CEO, whatever it is? Why are you a credible source, and why should people believe in you in the content you're going to give? So just kind of give your name and your title of who you are. Tip number 3 is content benefit. So what kind of content are you going to be producing on your channel, and why would people want to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button? What will they expect to see? I mean, do you give, tips and tricks on how to do guitar lessons? Is it photography reviews? Is it teaching? Whatever. Is it vlogging? What is it? Okay, what will people expect to see when they subscribe to your channel? Tip number 4 is tell people how often you are going to post. Okay, say blah, blah, blah. I post 4 times a week on this channel, every Sunday, Monday, Thursday, and Friday. So give people a schedule so that they know what to expect and they know how often to tune in to your channel. And of course, a call to action. So at the end of your YouTube channel trailer, you want to tell them to subscribe to the channel for sure. Maybe lead them to your website, lead them to whatever link they want to click on, or you don't have to, but just give them a call to action on what to do next, because it's kind of a waste if you make a really cool YouTube channel trailer and you don't tell them to do anything. So make sure you give a call to action at the end and let your future subscribers know exactly what to do. Now, one other thing you want to do is go ahead and add copyright-free music. Add some music to your channel trailer. You want to give it, some life. Adding music in the background is the perfect way. All you really have to do is go to YouTube and just type in copyright-free music, and there's tons of channels that have copyright-free music that go really nicely with, tutorials or adventure or whatever it is you're doing. Okay, so let's go ahead. What I'm going to show you right now is how to upload your trailer to your channel if you haven't done it already. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my brand new YouTube channel trailer that is going to be up and running by today, that is never before seen, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. So first thing you want to do is you want to come to the upload area of your YouTube channel, and you want to upload the video to your channel as unlisted or private. Actually, unlisted is probably better. Just go and grab your your downloaded YouTube trailer, and it's going to upload, and then wait until it uploads, and then I'll show you what to do next. So we are back on my channel. What we're going to do is you have to go to your channel. I think we go to customize it. Okay, so we're right here. This is your latest video. And what we want to do is go to new visitors, okay? Now what you want to do is go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And you see your unlisted video right here. Now you want to click save. And as you can see, it shows your new channel trailer for new visitors. Now to edit what people see here, all you got to do really is go back into the Creator Studio and go to this unlisted video, click on it, and what you can do is just say put the description of what you want to have. And so I'm just gonna put you know, kind of my main links to, you know, what I'm an affiliate for. I'm gonna also come here and put connect with me. Oops. Connect with me so that people can right away see my social media stuff. So I'm going to save those changes, and then I'll just put here, like, you know, welcome to my channel or something like that. Channel. And that is pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's how you create a YouTube trailer channel and upload it. So now, without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you in full screen my brand new YouTube channel trailer. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions about a YouTube channel trailer or other related topics. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because I'm posting daily and I'm giving away true value. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy this trailer. What's up, everyone? You made it to my channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and I wanted to welcome you with open arms to my channel. A little bit about myself. I was once a civil engineer for about 6.5 years. I didn't see myself doing that job forever. I didn't want to be stuck working for the government. So I decided to go full-time online and follow my dream and passion to be able to create an online business where I could work from simply a laptop and an internet connection. Now I would consider myself a digital nomad. Right now I'm in beautiful Bali, Indonesia, and I'm able to take my business on the road. On this channel, what you could expect to see is all things make money online, where I teach you step by step, even if you're a beginner, how to build your online business from scratch. And even if you are a seasoned internet marketer, I give tips and tricks daily. I post YouTube videos daily on how you can improve your online business, everything from video marketing, sales funnels, how to drive high quality traffic and get high quality leads to your business. The purpose of this channel is also so that you guys can have the inspiration to have your dream lifestyle and business too. You really can have it all, I promise you. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You won't be disappointed, and I will see you on the next video.